we are very excited to now have all the way from France PaperArtsy in our online store. The video that you're watching now is a recap condensed version of a live that we did introducing the paper line to our customers, such as the rusting powder that you see here on screen, and also the Fusion Rusty Powder. Those are fantastic mediums to work with. If you are interested in watching the full live, which is like a 2 hour live session, you're more than welcome to do so, of course. But in this video, I hope to just give you some highlights as to what some of the items that have reached the online store. We certainly hope that you will go and check them out. If you have any questions, we would love to hear your comments in the description box. And of course, if you need links to any other products, make sure you check the description box. In that description box, there is also a coupon code for you guys, so make sure that you check that out as well. I'm going to just let you enjoy the recap as well as some music, and I will jump in every now and then so that in case I have any information morsels to share with you, I will do that. Now, of course, here I'm showing you how in the online store you will be able to see all of the products. You will also be able to see all kinds of inspirational photos as well. So I certainly hope that you check those out because there are some amazing, amazing, beautiful pictures on there as well for additional inspiration. I also talked about how a lot of their designers have their own channels on YouTube and they have amazing projects to follow along with. Okay, without further ado, let's jump in. On screen, you'll be able to see each of the item numbers. And then, of course, I will do a little bit of a show for you to be able to see the stamp itself. If at any point in time you need to slow the video down because you want to capture that specific item number, you most certainly can pause. You can also slow down the video if need be. And of course, as I mentioned, you can leave any questions that you have down in the comments below. So sit back and enjoy because I've got a lot of fantastic, stunning stamps to show you, not only botanicals, but mixed media. I have different sizes to show you, including minis, different price points, stencils, tissue paper for collaging, and more. Let's take a look. So after we were done looking at some of those beautiful Eclectica stamps, we went ahead and switched gears just a little bit and went to a mixed media feel with all of the beautiful Seth Apter stamps. So let's take a look at those. after all those beautiful mixed media Seth Apter stamps, we did take a look at these other two Eclecticas as well. Fantastic to have lots of great elements to add to your backgrounds and for mixed media, including small text, crackle, and all kinds of fun elements that are just going to make those backgrounds really pop. Then we switched and looked at some of the other beautiful Eclectica stamps, including this beautiful stamp right here, which features all kinds of different teas, postage stamps, teacups, and more. And then you're going to see that the following ones are those that are very, very useful. Things like labels, things like little jars, and maybe some old advertisements. So just those ones that we are constantly using throughout all of our projects. And after these beautiful and extremely useful stamp sets, such as labels, we switched gears and we took a look at some stencils because the stencils are absolutely stunning. Beautiful way to add your sprays, your inks, of course, your different mediums and pastes. So many different ways to use these, including on your gel plate to make tags, backgrounds, cards, journaling pages, and so much more. Beautiful stencil sets. So let's take a look at those as well. And after all those beautiful stencils, you would think it cannot get any better, but I have something just as equally beautiful, which is the tissue paper. Yes, we're going to take a look at some of the printed tissue paper. These are ginormous, and you get four of them to a pack. So the price point value on these is phenomenal. We're going to flip through these really quick. My apologies. I'm actually losing my voice. I am recording this really late. I think it's almost like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning for this voiceover. So if you hear my voice starting to go, my apologies. But let's enjoy the tissue paper instead. And after all these beautiful tissue papers, we are going to be looking at some mini stamps. Now, these mini stamps are also from Seth Apter. They are just that perfect, perfect thing to have in your arsenal at all times. They are perfect size. They are perfect for storing because they're miniature. And of course, they are also perfect on the pocketbook. But I think these are going to be one of those that you're going to use every day. Every time you should break these out that you're working on a tag, on an ATC, mixed media background, journaling page, any and all of your projects, even on fabric. These would be amazing because Seth uses a lot of these in his fabrics. If you are not familiar, we also have Seth Apter fabrics in our online store. Yes, we also carry fabrics, so Tim Holtz and more. So make sure you take a look at our fabrics as well if that is something that you enjoy to work with. Now I'm going to do a little hidden giveaway here. For that, I'm going to go ahead and let you pick one of the mini stamps that are going to be shown on screen. In the comments, you are going to share with me which is your favorite mini stamp number. I'm showing all the numbers on screen, so easy enough for you to go ahead and watch and tell me which one's your favorite and why. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway as soon as this video reaches 20 comments or more. The more comments, the more giveaways we'll do, so your odds increase exponentially the more comments that we have. So that means that you need to share this out in your crafty groups with your crafty friends and all of your social media platforms so that you increase your odds of winning an amazing giveaway from this video. And by the way, if you happen to place an order for anything PaperArtsy from the online store, please make sure you come back and you leave a comment letting us know that you've placed an order so that you can receive a bonus entry into the giveaway as well. Don't forget, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, that there is also a discount coupon in the description box for you. So make sure you guys check that out as well as all the links. Okay, so with all of these beautiful products now available in store, plus of course thousands more, we certainly do hope that you guys will check it out and that you will find tons and tons of inspiration. We carry products from the best companies from around the world. So make sure you take a look and be inspired with all of the photos as well as videos that are linked and just have fun. There are all kinds of kits as well and exclusive class contents, just lots of fun. All of the products, of course, that you have seen here, plus thousands more, are featured and are available in our online store. So make sure you take a look at that, saxcrafts.com or spectrumartcreations.com. And make sure, not forget, leave a comment down below. Make sure you give the video a like. We really would appreciate it, as well as leave a comment and share it with your friends. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. I'm going to leave another video here, or a couple of videos, for you to click on and see even more amazing products and inspiration. I will see you there. Bye.